Darren Price is accused of the deadly house explosion last week here in San Francisco, but ultimately the judge decided that there is not enough evidence showing that he should be held without bail and has decided to release him on restricted house arrest. Darren Price is charged with several felonies, including manslaughter, manufacturing a controlled substance, child endangerment, and elder abuse. In court, Assistant District Attorney Robert Perkins argued that Price should be held without bail. According to the 7-page motion to detain, Perkins writes, defendant's alleged grossly negligent decision to operate an unlicensed hash oil lab placed his entire neighborhood at risk. For that reason, the court should detain the defendant because his conduct poses a great risk to public safety. In court, the prosecutor noted police found large butane tanks, an oven, and jars full of solvents in the rubble. All items police say are used in manufacturing hash oil. According to prosecutors, the caregiver for Price's disabled wife, Malawi Thunyapun, may have accidentally ignited the explosion when she started a clothes dryer in the house. Thunyapun escaped with severe burns. Price's wife, Rita, who was mostly immobile after a stroke years ago, died in the fire. Superior Court Judge Victor Huang ruled that the explosion is clearly deadly and Price's alleged actions leading up to the explosion were reckless. But he did not find that Price intended to kill anyone and hasn't threatened anyone since, meaning he's not considered a danger to the public. For those reasons, he released him on house arrest under several restrictions.
We are very relieved that Mr. Price is going to be released. That process is going to start today. It is a process that can take several days before everything is in place.
The biggest challenge is finding a house to stay in within a 50-mile radius. In court, public defender Sierra Villaron said his closest relative is a sister in Lake Tahoe. Price will also be allowed to continue seeing his wife's 2 teenage children, something prosecutors were trying to block.
He can start participating in the arrangements for the funeral for Ms. Price and also be connected with his children and support them at this time.
Price, who has dual citizenship, was also ordered to hand over his U.S. and Australian passports immediately. He became emotional in court while explaining those documents, along with everything else, were in the house when it exploded. He will now be allowed to visit what remains of the house, but only if accompanied by his attorney. In San Francisco, Sergio Quintana, NBC, Bay Area News.